Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to turn on dark mode on iOS. First note that you need iOS software version 13.3. To turn on dark mode you need software version 13.3. Without this version you can't turn on dark mode in iOS. So let's start it. To turn on dark mode, you can turn on dark mode in two ways. First, you have to go settings, and then you have to scroll down, and then you have to tap display and brightness, and then click dark, and it will be dark mode your iOS. You can turn on automatic option. You can also turn on dark mode by scrolling up control center and then tap and hold the brightness option and then tap dark mode. The dark mode will be turned on. You can see. If you like our video, please give us a like, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.